Welcome to our exciting video introducing the Fire Engine Spring Rider, the ultimate outdoor play equipment for kids. Designed for fun and safety, this top-notch product boasts a capacity for 6 children to play simultaneously, fostering joyous group experiences. With 4 sturdy springs ensuring balanced movement from all sides, kids can rock and sway with confidence. Equipped with 2 steering wheels and comfortable seats, young adventurers can take the wheel and let their imagination soar. Safety is our top priority, ensuring that kids can enjoy endless hours of play without worry. Crafted with unparalleled quality, exceptional strength, and meticulous design, the Fire Engine Spring Rider is a perfect addition to any playground or outdoor space. Join the fun and let the adventure begin with our premium play equipment.